beautiful people. Today I just want to share with you how I organize and plan my week, and it's really quite a simple process, but it keeps everything in order in my mind straight away for the week and minimizes any stress, and it really helps me out. So the first thing I like to do on Sunday or Monday is clean up my space, specifically my desk. That's where I do most of my work and where I sit down to plan. Because I really do feel like clutter just really clutters up your mind and just kind of adds stress. The more stressors that are in your environment, I just like to tidy everything up so everything's clean and ready to go for the week. Two other main areas I like to generally keep clean is the bedroom and the kitchen. Usually do a little daily tidying up there. And after that, I pretty much just go to my notebooks where I keep everything written down and organized in charts and lists. I no longer keep an agenda just because I prefer to just write a weekly to-do list. That way, as each day comes, I can just break tasks down how I want and kind of have that time freedom to approach the day how I would like to. So mostly I will go to my previous week's to-do list, and anything I didn't get finished, I'll go ahead and add that to this week's to-do list to start. And then anything else that comes up for this week, I'll just go ahead and add it on there. It just feels good, like a sense of accomplishment, to be able to go ahead and cross things off. And I think the act of just writing things down in general helps you remember it better, so I just really like using this method. And then I will go ahead and look at my calendars and add any appointments or new events that have come up. And anything that I like to get done on a daily basis, I keep track of on my habits tracker. It's a little chart that I just keep track of in a notebook. And any other lists and things that I just need written down, I'll go ahead and organize in my notebooks at this time. If you'd like to see a little bit more of that, you can see my video on how to fill your notebooks for self-growth. Really, that is it. After doing this, I really feel ready to go for the week. And it's really simple, but it helps me out a ton, and hopefully will help you out too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely subscribe for more videos similar to this nature, such as organization and tips on self-development. And thank you again for watching.